Good morning, guys. We finally touched down and land, and we are officially in St. Maarten. I'm so excited, and if my eyes are squinty, I literally just woke up 2 minutes ago. This is what we have so far. We don't really have the best view from our balcony, but I promise you that you will see more of that footage later on in this vlog. Time to get ready. We are ready to head out to... I will show you what I'm wearing for my beach wear to St. Maarten. Got my Forever 21 hat that says 90% Angel in the back. I have my Tropic Like It's Hot. Where'd I get this?
Tropic Like It's Hot?
Yeah, Drop It Like It's Hot. A Drop It Like It's Hot from Francesca's. I got this little cover up from Forever 21 because unfortunately the Zika virus is everywhere we're going, so I'm trying to cover up as much as possible but also not be too hot. Our first day not at sea. I look whiter than I am in this camera because of the natural light, but I swear they're tan because we have been on vacation for the last Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's 4 days. Steve's brushing his teeth right now, and then we're gonna go grab some breakfast, and then our excursion tickets, we don't get off until 10 o'clock. We have a little time to kill before then. Then we are out by the beach the whole entire day. Yes! Tell them what you're wearing, babe.
DBM. DPC.
Where is it from?
Disney Production Company.
It is?
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Great shirt from TJ Maxx. That's on Los Angeles.
I can't understand you.
It's Los Angeles. And my amazing swim trunk.
Where'd you get those from?
I don't remember.
Oh my goodness.
I got them a couple of years ago.
Are you ready for St. Maarten? I'm ready to hit the beach.
Beach.
Let's get ready for breakfast and beach. Here we come.
And this is an experience.
We booked an excursion to go to the Maho Beach, and it's taking like 2 hours just to wait in line to get there.
To get out of the port. Because the organization's awful.
It's annoying.
We could have gotten like a car or a taxi to the beach, been there in half this amount of time, because then we're gonna sit in an hour and a half of traffic too.
Yeah, we're losing a lot of beach time, so
yeah,
hopefully we
this
get
is
some
ridiculous.
We finally made it on two of us heading to Maho Beach, but if the plane hits us in the head, we can't put it.
What's the date today?
The 31st. We're signing these waivers because if the plane hits us in the head, you can't see us. Right there?
Yeah. If a plane hits us, we can't sue them. But I think we'll have bigger problems.
How do you feel about that?
Fine.
Fine.
Fine, because if a plane hits me, I'm probably gonna be dead anyway.
That's true. Finally headed to the beach.
corner of the beach. Should be fun. I hope it's good.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter.
Things or have services performed.
I've said no about 5 times.
You just don't take no for an answer. It's crazy.
It's a beautiful beach, but next time, if any of you come on the lower seas, I recommend you take a cab
To Maho Beach because it's cheaper and you can get here faster.
and not the excursion that takes 2 hours or an hour and a half to drive here. This is, oh, by the way, this is the beach where the airplanes fly right over us, but we're towards the end, so we don't get
St. Maarten, guys. Here comes the water.
So you all are jealous.
Oh my god, it's so bad.
Are you having fun on vacation?
Yeah, are you?
I want to go. I'm afraid to
Suck is strong.
Tomorrow we're in Puerto Rico, enjoying this vacation with my boo. We don't have much longer on this beach, which sucks.
Yep.
Quick,
I found a butt.
babe, quick, we're gonna get jet blasted.
Whoa!
Down to the beach, and we're doing lunch right on the beach. See the airport and the plane fly over at the bar. I do recommend St. Maarten for the beach, but I recommend you take a taxi. You'll get more for your money. 3
Round
hours.
trip is $32 if you do it on your own.
And that's how they do it. Update, guys. 25 minutes later, waiting for quesadillas.
No waiting.
It took us 30 minutes to get our Sprite and Coke. And now another half hour for our quesadillas.
It would take
Meanwhile,
us 4 hours for lunch.
we will be back on a bus in about 35 minutes. Look guys, our food came, but we were so hungry that we started eating before we showed you. Are you happy?
If you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not.
So we just got back from St. Maarten. Boy, was it an adventure. We actually met a very nice couple that is actually from Florida. So hopefully when we move to Florida, we have friends.
We met a cool couple. You know what? I'm gonna be honest. They're awesome people.
We met at least like 5 couples on their honeymoon. Maybe that's something to think about for ours in the future.
Absolutely, because apparently that's what these young couples do. Hey,
Who votes we
last
go
time
on?
I checked, we're a young couple.
But we would go on like a 14-day one or something. Well, we gotta get engaged first. But who votes that we go on a cruise for our honeymoon when he
Yeah.
finally proposes? Me and him.
I like it.
Why didn't we film when we first got right off the boat? You don't remember?
Oh, that rain.
Yeah.
That crazy rainstorm. It was like it was in Castaway Cay. It was unbelievable. The rain was sideways. It was torrential downpours. Then all of a sudden it was like God was like, goodbye rain, hello sun.
I know. And then it was clear blue skies the rest of the day, but unfortunately it took so long to get to our places. We will come back to St. Maarten. We are not going to do an excursion, so if you guys are going on a cruise soon, we recommend don't do an excursion with the Maho Beach.
I'll be back.
Just go on the beach.